Golden State Warriors official, new and improved complete lineup this 2024-2025 NBA season. Point guards, Reese Bigman, new player, two-way contract, 6'3", 194 pounds, 22 years old, 14.3 points, 3.6 rebounds, 6.2 assists, 2 steals, zero point 0.5 blocks, 31% three-point shooter, 75% free throw shooter in his 2023-2024 Virginia Cavaliers season averages. Anthony Melton, new player via free agency signing, 6'3", 200 pounds, 26 years old, 11.1 points, 3.7 rebounds, 3 assists, 1.6 steals, 36% three-point shooter, 83% free throw shooter in his 2023-2024 NBA season averages. Brandon Podziemski, 6'4", 205 pounds, 21 years old, 18.5 points, 9.5 rebounds, 5 assists, 50% three-point shooter, 85% free throw shooter in his 2K25 NBA Summer League season averages. Stephen Curry, 6'2", 185 pounds, 36 years old, 26.8 points, 4.5 rebounds, 4.9 assists, 40% three-point shooter, 92% free throw shooter in his 2023-2024 NBA season averages. Shooting guards, Gary Payton II, 6'2", 195 pounds, 31 years old, 5 points, 2.8 rebounds, 1.2 assists, 36% three-point shooter, 61% free throw shooter in his 2023-2024 NBA season averages. Pat Spencer, two-way contract, 6'3", 205 pounds, 27 years old, 14.7 points, 2.3 rebounds, 2.3 assists, 50% three-point shooter, 75% free throw shooter in his 2K25 NBA Summer League season averages. Buddy Hield, new player via sign and trade from 76ers, 6'4", 220 pounds, 31 years old, 12.1 points, 3.2 rebounds, 2.8 assists, 38% three-point shooter, 88% free throw shooter in his 2023-2024 NBA season averages. Small forwards, Lindy Waters III, new player via trade from OKC Thunder, 6'5", 210 pounds, 27 years old, 3.6 points, 1.1 rebounds, 0.6 assists, 43% three-point shooter, 100% free throw shooter in his 2023-2024 NBA season averages. Moses Moody, 6'5", 211 pounds, 22 years old, 7.8 points, 3 rebounds, 0.7 assists, 32% three-point shooter, 78% free throw shooter in his 2023-2024 NBA season averages. Andrew Wiggins, 6'7", 197 pounds, 29 years old, 12.7 points, 4.4 rebounds, 1.7 assists, 36% three-point shooter, 72% free throw shooter in his 2023-2024 NBA season averages. Daquan Plowden, new player, two-way contract, 6'6", 215 pounds, 26 years old, 12 points, 4.1 rebounds, 1.3 assists, 1 steal, 39% three-point shooter, 81% free throw shooter in his 2023-2024 NBA G League season averages. Power forwards: Kyle Anderson, new player via free agency signing, 6'9", 230 pounds, 31 years old, 6.4 points, 3.5 rebounds, 4.2 assists, zero point 0.9 steals, 22% three-point shooter, 70% free throw shooter in his 2023-2024 NBA season averages. Guy Santos, 6'6", 220 pounds, 21 years old, 3.3 points, 2.4 rebounds, zero point 0.6 assists, 36% three-point shooter, 93% free throw shooter in his 2023-2024 NBA season averages. Jonathan Kuminga, 6'7", 225 pounds, 21 years old, 16.3 points, 4.7 rebounds, 2.1 assists, 32% three-point shooter, 74% free throw shooter in his 2023-2024 NBA season averages. Draymond Green, 6'6", 230 pounds, 34 years old, 8.9 points, 7.3 rebounds, 6 assists, 39% three-point shooter, 75% free throw shooter in his 2023-2024 NBA season averages. Centers: Trayce Jackson Davis, 6'9", 245 pounds, 24 years old, 13.5 points, 8.5 rebounds, 2.5 assists, 1 steal, 66 field goal percentage, 73% free throw shooter in his 2K25 NBA Summer League season averages. Kevon Looney, 6'9", 222 pounds, 28 years old, 4.5 points, 5.8 rebounds, 2 assists, 59 field goal percentage, 66% free throw shooter in his 2023-2024 NBA season averages. Quentin Post, new player via 52nd draft pick, 7 feet, 238 pounds, 24 years old, 17 points, 8.1 rebounds, 2.9 assists, 0.9 steals, 1.7 blocks, 43% three-point shooter, 82% free throw shooter in his 2023-2024 Boston College season averages. This is the official new and improved complete lineup for the Golden State Warriors this 2024-2025 NBA season. Do you think the Warriors can make the playoffs with their new look complete lineup? Just comment it below.